Hello everyone, welcome to Gabriel Flora House. So today I'm going to tell you about the plant string of pearls. So I know that many of you love this plant and many try this and are not succeeded yet. So I want to give you some care tips, some growing methods, how to water and the soil for this plant so that you can grow this in your house. And also to tell you, this is a very easy growing plant. So once you know the method and how to do it, then you'll also succeed in this succulent. So the first thing is your selection of your pot. If you have a small plant, take a small pot, and if you have a big one, take a big pot. Second thing, you have to note that you have holes in your pot. So it is necessary to have 2 holes or more than 2 holes. Okay, so next thing what I'm going to do is I'm going to give an additional step, that is I'm going to place some stones in this holes. So you have to place it like this. So why I am placing the stones is that if I put soil in the pot, there is a chance for the soil to block this holes. So once the soil blocks the holes, what happens is that your pot, your water cannot flow easily outside and your plant starts to rot, and you also don't know what is the concentration of your water. So see that you have holes in your pot. So next you see that I've added soil in the pot. So the soil which we use for the succulent is that we use normal garden soil and cow dung. For some succulents we use cocopeat, but for string of pearls we have not added cocopeat. It is because that cocopeat can store water in the soil, and hence there is a lot of chance of the plant to rot. And also you can see that pearls are also a fleshy plant, so the water may be stored in the pot and your plant may rot. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pluck a piece of the plant. Okay, so I'm just going to pick it here. So you can also even keep a single pearl, even a single pearl will multiply. So now I'm just going to prick it here and I'm going to place it in a pot. So now you can see that I have a piece of plant in my hand. So you can remove the pearls which are at the corner so that it will be easy for you to plant. Okay, so also you can see that you have chosen a well and healthy plant so that it will grow easily. So now you can see I had made a hole inside the pot. So inside the hole I'm just going to place this. Okay, so on planting some pearls may go inside. You need not worry about that pearls which are inside. Nothing will happen. Okay, so after planting this plant, you might leave the plant like this. So what I am telling you is that just place the pearls so that you can see that I have placed in such a way. So this part is facing your soil. So when you plant like this, roots develop in these places, and also whenever you want to make a new plant, you can pick it there and you can plant it. So once you are set, next is watering. So on the day after planting, your watering must be correct. So you can see that the pearls are very fleshy, it has water inside, so it needs very less water. So you can see that here in this plant you have all your leaves, that is your pearls has shrunk. It is only because of less water. So when your water concentration is less, then you can see that your pearls will shrink. Okay, so when now you can see that here you have some rotten pearls. So this is due to excess water. So when your water is more, then your leaves will start to rot, and less it will start to shrink. So water is very important for this plant. So when your water concentration to your plant is correct, your plant will grow very healthy. All your pearls will be very fleshy and it will be very attractive. So the thing is that your main thing is your water. So it changes according to your climate. Here, since the moisture is less moisture, you have more moisture in this place where we stay, we give less water. But to your place, you have a place where your climate is very hot. So in that place, this plant may require more water. So during your initial stages, you can pour water 6 days to 7 days once. Once the plant suits your climate, then you can give water in equal intervals of time. So this is another plant, that is string of tears, which has same method. You have to follow the same method, but the thing is that they are more easy to grow than your string of pearls. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel for more videos.